Mazi Nnamdi Kanu lawyers don't come outside again come tell us say that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu condition do not need in DSS custody, that the doctor said they are not going to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu again in DSS custody, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu need to be in a proper medical room so that they can monitor him for some weeks and see if his body is going to respond fine. But they write letter and give to the DSS, and DSS refuse to allow this permission so that the doctors will take good care of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The lawyers have cried out again to show the public, says, look at what is going on. Oh, please, you will do me one favor by sharing this video to all platforms, because this is not the first and not the second, not the third. They have cried out about his medical why the DSS do not want to listen to this particular they don't want to pay attention to this. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu also using math to say it that their plan. They want the day they will find out, okay, he's no longer he's not going to succeed, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they will not release him. That is what Nnamdi Kanu said with his own math. That is the plan of DSS. But however, please share the video so that other people will know what they go on, and do not forget to follow our new page, Balaba Gist Vlog. Follow that page, very, very important, so that you will not be missing out on our informations. Okay, my people, I'll play the video when the lawyer are saying this thing, and before we jump to inside waiting the happen for inside River State. So watch the video.
Well, I just came back from DSSS now. I went to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and the condition I saw him is not something to write home about. He's not well. I will continue to say it. The cardiologist, who is the person that has been treating Nnamdi Kanu, have told the DSSS that he cannot be coming to DSSS every week to be treating Nnamdi Kanu, that it is against their own ethics. He is a U.S. American trained cardiologist consultant, and he said that he needs to have Nnamdi Kanu in his clinic at least to monitor him for 2 weeks. But the DSS said no, that except his true court order. I can't see the reason why the judiciary should be allowed themselves to be used by the executive. We have seen the best international practices that once somebody is sick, even in a prison, and if you discover that the person needed to have the best medical practitioner, a consultant or a specialist, they will release the person. But the one of Nnamdi Kanu, the case is quite different. Is it because he's an Igbo? Is it because he's Nnamdi Kanu? It's only a living that we face trial. Look at the letter written to the DSSS. Get this letter. Get this letter. This letter is being written by Heartland Cardiovascular Consultants Limited. The Onye G. Achilu, the medical director, and is a fellow, American College of Cardiology, wrote this letter to DSSS. And in the letter, he said, based on the symptoms communicated to me, I strongly recommend that he be brought to my clinic so that a proper medical focus examination, including necessary tests, will be carried out to address his complaints. This is a letter written to them. And based on this letter, the man said that the consultant said that he will not be going to DSSS to see Nnamdi Kanu. Dear Nigerians, is that the way of treating somebody? The judiciary is no longer being the judiciary we're supposed to know. Because once somebody, you refuse to release him, you refuse to reinstate his bail, Supreme Court said that he never jumped bail, you refuse to send him to prison, where we have professionals, you detain him in the DSSS custody. And they don't have adequate medical facility to address his case. We continue to talk. I just left the SSS now where I went to visit him. We'll continue to talk. Whether they like it or not, we'll continue to speak the truth. Nnamdi Kanu's health need adequate attention. Share this video. Make it go viral so that they will hear. They will know that, yes, we are doing our best. That is the much I can say. That is the update. I just left him a few minutes ago and walked into my sitting room here. That's why I decided to let Nigerians know what is happening. As we speak now, Nnamdi Kanu is not receiving any medical attention. Thank you and God bless you.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, this is the information lawyer Maxwell is passing today and telling us this is what is happening. So it's very clear. All Biafras have known the plan of DSS. So, but one thing Nigeria should know about this dangerous game they are playing is that there is somebody you can play with and there's somebody you cannot play with. There are things Nigeria history may be done in the past and they get away with it. Not everything you will get away with. You see, this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu issue is the issue that Nigeria should be very, very careful. 1960 and 2024 is not the same. It's never the same. So it's the language that these people have to understand. You can't beat a child and ask him not to cry. Release Nnamdi Kanu. Allow Nnamdi Kanu to have access to medical so that he can get better. Even though he will stand trial, he will be ready to stand trial or stand whatever you people are doing after the court release him. So this is our message to the Nigerian government. Please release Nnamdi Kanu. I don't see what you people are gaining in what you guys are doing. Tinubu government is in your hand. Release Nnamdi Kanu. My people, let me bring you this video and see what is happening. They say that a Ghana man who live in Nigeria wear a police uniform to do undoable. Just watch the video.
I'm from River State. I'm from Ghana.
From where?
I'm from River State. I'm from Ghana.
Which part of Ghana?
I'm from Uyakara.
So tell us what you were doing and why we are here.
I was in local community when they arrested me with some students. They were 5 in number. So that is what happened.
So why are you dressed like this now? Why are you dressed like a police officer? Are you a police officer? Are you a police officer?
No, I'm not a police officer.
So why are you like this? Answer them.
What do you do for a living?
I drive Keke.
You drive Keke, so why are you dressing
Why are
like
you on
this?
police uniform? Just introduce yourself. Why are you dressed like this?
It's a fake police. I'm a fake police. I was just there with them when the arrest took place.
You are with them where?
I was with them at Lebo village when the arrest. When they did the arrest.
How did you get the uniform?
I get it from Command here. That was 2021 also. 2021 when the place was still at that side.
Where?
When the market was still at the other side.
So you came there with it.
Yes.
Started using it.
Yes.
How many operations have you gone?
I've not gone to any operation.
How did you loaded guns?
I just used it to follow one of my friends to that local community. That is where I was arrested.
To do what?
Who gave you the gun?
I bought it.
Where?
I bought it from a friend.
Who is that person you bought it from?
His name is Boyji. We call him Boyji.
Where is he staying?
I don't know actually where he's staying. But we meet
For
at
how
the road.
much?
I bought it at 850,000.
So how long? How many operations have you taken this rifle?
This is my first occasion before they arrested me.
When you bought the rifle, what was your intention? Why you buy the rifle?
Nothing yet. No intention.
So what?
This is the first time I've used it. I use it.
So why did you buy the rifle? Why?
Since 2021.
I keep it.
Using it for the first time.
I keep them for my house. I don't even use myself. I just.
So what about the ID card you're having?
I bought the ID card from here when the market was still here. I did it here also. I did it
When
here.
did you buy the gun?
I bought the gun at was 2021.
And you kept it in your house since 2021?
Yes.
Or used it for the first time this year?
Before they arrested me. Nothing be
Your
like.
name again?
I'm Fred Monday.
The uniform, the arm for the arm and the uniform.
I just it's an impersonation. I just use it to go that guy to go that place.
The only who is where?
This is the first time. Yes, I keep it at I'm not going to use them before.
Okay, so how were you arrested?
I was arrested at Logo Community.
Doing what?
I was sitting there when the anti-courtism. Yes, I was sitting like this when the anti-courtism. They were doing a meeting where I was at the backyard.
What kind of meeting?
They were doing their school meeting.
What kind of school meeting? Because you were there with them, but you know what?
No, I was not exactly at that very particular position.
You are giving them security now. You are giving them security.
Yes, that was it.
They
Yes.
paid you to go and give them security there.
No, that guy tell me saying go give me money, make I follow and go
You're
there.
part of them because they were doing initiation there, so you're part of them doing initiation.
Which court do you belong to?
I did not belong to any court.
This one they happen for inside the River State. So my Ghanaian brothers, you know, no be only Nigeria they commit crime, oh, you people also they commit for inside Nigeria. So if na one of our brother wey dey do videos in here bring him mota, you want get mad. Okay, my people, let us go back to our former topic of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Please, I want everybody to share this video so that this video will go viral and go where it's supposed to go. The lawyers have cried out again, and Nnamdi Kanu should allow access to his medical doctors where they can feel comfortable and give him a good treatment. That is our concern, and Nigeria should never done this mistake to allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu not to have access to his medical doctors. Please share the video and make sure say you follow all our social media handles so that you'll be getting an update of what is going on. Very important. See you in the next video.